Welcome back to Triforge Smithing. Jacob, myself. What we're doing today is something that's going to be a little bit different for us. We're going to be making our first fireplace poker, alright? It's going to require some welding, it's going to have some twists in it, and we're going to be using the coke forge and the blast furnace to accomplish what we're doing, alright? We're still becoming proficient with this coke forge over here as far as keeping its heat consistent, and so that we don't have to take 3 days to do this piece. We'll be toggling between the blast forge and the coke forge to get this process done. First, we're going to actually do some forge welding, alright? Bring the piece back onto itself, weld that, leave a small eye in it, cut that small eye and turn that into the pickle fork that's going to be the actual tool for working in the fireplace. I think just splash some more up. Flux in that gas. Yep.
There, then
Roll it over. Same thing, Joe. This is not something I'm proud of in the slightest, but it is welded and I think we can get something out of it. No, definitely not. I hate this. I hate this. Like, genuinely, so much effort for so little payback. You know how much gas we're using? I agree. Yeah, Holy shit. This whole forge welding thing ain't all it's cracked up to be, you know what I mean?
the rig isn't work.
The rig! I mean, it just instantly set it on fire. It really did. You know, in hindsight, having wooden objects there was probably not the greatest of options to go with, but hey guys, welcome to Triforge Smithing. Today we're lighting everything on fire and failing to make a forge weld. Hope you enjoy. Have a good day. Subscribe officially for real this time. I swear it's forge welded. Got a little less to work with than I was hoping, but we should have enough to actually do something with this, believe it or not. So just to be thorough. Get in the crack. Nice. Alright. We got something going here. It's not falling apart. Okay, I can work with this. Hell yeah. There you go, lad. Now the problem that you've got with this, right, is before you let this go, this is your welded beam. This is your body part.
Yep.
You need to do it backwards. Because when you're prying, you're prying on the weld. And it allows you to bend this part, not at the weld, but in the body of itself.
Right.
Right?
Right.
And that's the reason why you working on the welded section is only pulling it open. Keep this straight and bend this one sooner than this joint. Bend it sooner, you're outside, then push this one out. And you get the long spike. Looking pretty, dude.
Thank you.
Looking real pretty.
Working a very strange angle here.
There you go.
How's that looking?
That's beauty.
You want me to bend it back again to, 1 second.
Gentlemen, I believe we have made something today.
We have.
A weld broke, but I'm not going to say anything about it. It's solid on this side.
Oh, yeah.
Gas on that.
Yeah, that is important.
Next, we'll be heating up the center of the rod. We're going to box that up. We're using round stock right now. And we're going to box that into a square and then put a couple of cut lines in it using the cold chisel. And then we're going to put a corkscrew twist into it so that you have a little bit of ornamentation to the shaft itself. Alright.
Now, if it ain't this way, yeah, hit it again. This side is not nearly as hot as that side was. Oh, yeah. Much better.
That'll do. Third and final is to actually beat a small point onto it, not a razor sharp point. We're not talking about hunt hogs with it. Just a small point onto it, and then we're going to make an eye on the end of it for hanging on something or for filling up your hand for working the fireplace, and turn that back. Those will be the three parts that are of this particular tool. All right?
I was doing it the way you told me. You said, hey, bend that shit right there. And then you said, come over here. I started making the fucking loop.
What are you talking about? It's supposed to turn back on itself like. Where are you going with that thing? On the end? What do you mean? It's a loop light. You got a poker there.
You don't understand this, man. Seriously, I don't
What are you doing that?
Well, take the hammer. I want to see what you're talking about.
Right. A loop light.
Oh, I see.
A loop. Well, now it's not gonna. Alright, that's fine.
I was trying to get that nice, perfect centered loop thing.
Oh, you know, a loop, lad.
Yeah.
You see the loop?
Yes, I like. This big.
You need to show up, you know.
Just a wee bit.
Nice.
He is,
Pain
a
in the ass,
mar-
right?
he is a martial arts trainer.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's getting, oh yeah.
That's a loop, lad. I got no idea what you're making, lad.
I'm making a loop.
You're making some sort of serpent, you think?
You don't like serpents, do you?
Definitely a roller coaster of emotions. The welding was not being kind. This is only, what, the second time?
Second weld.
Second actual weld we've done. We've attempted it again in the past, but did not work out. This one, for the most part, should hold. Not as a melee weapon, though. Don't use it as such. But yeah, no, we got it nice and hammered out right there. We were able to get the twist in along with the small detailing notches. And the old man was able to take over and create this loop, since I seem to not understand the concept of making a loop.
It's very weird. You'd think by now, make a loop.
Yeah.
Okay, well, if we can do this, you can do this. And for those of you out there that are doing this fashion right here, we'll put a link to the guy that showed us how to do this type of inline round stock forge weld and how to split this off and make these two pieces. Like, share, subscribe, come back frequently. We'll show you more stuff. Have a great day.